my name is Joudy. Today I'm gonna talk about part of the flower and pollination and fertilization. Okay, so now we have the part of the flower. Here is the petal, and here is it's usually scented and brightly. And here is the anther, and this yellow thing is the male part. And here is the female that is like a stand anther, and here is the receptacle. Here is the thing that in the flower, in the ovary. Here is the female part, and it has to grow the seed in it. And here is sepals that protect the flower from its bud. So here is the style. It's also a female part, and the stigma. It's here, and this is the part of the flower. And here, this is the part of the flower. The female part of the flower is receives pollen as a pollination. Here the stigma that is here. Here it receives the pollen from here in the pollination. And the anther, the tip of the stamen. Okay, and the stamen is the male part of the flower, which make a powder called pollen. So the stamen makes a powder. It's pollen, who goes to the stigma and go inside and get the seed. This is a pollination. Okay, the ovary is the female part of the flower that contains the eggs. Okay, grow in the seed, and the carpel, the female part of the flower that contains tiny eggs. Here's the carpel one. Here, carpel has to be here, like this. Here, eggs inside the ovary. Its tip is called a stigma. Okay, these sepals little green leaves that protect the flower's bud. Petals often brightly colored and attract insects and flowers. Okay, so these petals attract insects, and here this is the sepals that protect the the flower bud. Okay, let's go to the pollination. Here bees, butterflies and other insects on the flower are moving pollen. So here is here usually in the flower has to be here like here anther, and this is half contains a yellow dot. So this yellow dot go over the bees, go over this one and place it here. Then it all go to here and inside small tubes and go over this, and it make a small seed and begin to grow. Okay, this is called pollination as written here. Here it can be pollinated by wind. Flowers pollinated by wind are not brightly colored and do not have petal scent when pollen blows in the wind from the stigmas of our other flowers. So this is not having brightly colored petal or scented. So what we'll do is the wind get this pollen and get it away by wind and get it to another flower. And this is the pollination, and here is pollination by insects. Here the bee, I told you. So here the fertilization. Here is what happened next after the pollination. Plants reproduce by making seeds. Here, when this seed grows, this flower actually die, and this seed plant a new fruit. here, making seed and pollen eggs join to make seed in the process called fertilization. Okay? Pollination brings pollen from the male stamen to the female carpel. This allows the eggs to be fertilized and seeds to form. Okay? So the male brings some pollen to the female carpel. So what it do is make seed inside the ovary of the female. So this allows the seed to grow. Here happens in the flower ovary. Fertilization happens in the flower ovary, and fertilization only happens if the pollen and egg are from the same kind of flower. So this fertilization can only happen if this the same kind of flower. So okay, here after the egg is fertilized, the petal and stamen of the flowers die. The ovary grows and become a fruit. Seeds are inside the fruit. So as I told you, this flower actually dies and grows the seed inside it after the pollination and fertilization, and that's it. Get a seed, and this is how a pollination and fertilization happens. Thank you for watching.